The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, northwestern McLean County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over southwestern Oklahoma City, or near Will Rogers Airport, moving northeast at 10 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southwestern Oklahoma City, western Norman, Moore, Newcastle, and Valley Brook. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.